Hello guys, in this video we are going to explore GTA Vice City Starman mod. In this mod there are many changes with compared to the original Vice City. You will find many vehicles more realistic way. There are many ramps spread towards the city. So I think there will be more than 5 videos to give you complete review on this mod. Today we are going to just look at few things. I will show you some vehicles which are different compared to the original Vice City. I will show you how to get from one world to another world when the bridges are closed. I will do a rampage and I will get a 4-star wanted level to see how the police vehicles are there in this mod. So without any delay, let's start the video. First I will show you how you can get to one side of Vice City to the other side without doing a single mission even the bridge when the bridges are closed. So these two methods will work in Starman mode only. So now let's see the first method. For the first method, you need a PCJ 600. Generally, I will recommend that any vehicle can do this method, but for the people who cannot drive other vehicles very fast, I will recommend only PCJ 600. But I will show you three methods, from three vehicles. The first one is with the bus, which is a heavy vehicle and we cannot drive it when it is very fast. The second with a car, and finally with a PCG 600. I will show you the first method with these three vehicles, how to go to the that side of the bridge if the gates are closed. So first we should go to the location which I will show you now. Now as we have reached our destination, so let's speed up the things and perform a successful stunt. Yeah, we performed a successful stunt and we are at the other side of the bridge even without doing a single mission, and that also with a heavy vehicle. Now let's do it with a PCJ 600. It's all, the game is glitching a bit, but don't worry, it will be very fine. Now let's drive to our destination so that we don't get any health damage very slowly, and finally let's speed up the things. But one thing with PCG 600, please make sure that you don't fall in the sea, otherwise you will die. Here we were so close to fall into the sea, so be careful. If you miss even an inch, you would fall into the sea and die. Now let's see the second method. For the second method, I prefer any vehicle, but PCG 600 should not be used because this is related to sea. If you use PC 600, you will die. So what you need to do is press the Seaways cheat. I will leave the cheat into the description if you can't spell it properly, and go to the location where I am showing now. As you can see, there is a ramp at the port, so we just need to perform a ramp stunt and boom, we are at the other side of the bridge even without doing any single mission. But I will say you one thing, that this will do some damage to your vehicle. Now let's see the bus in this mod. There is a different bus. I will show you, which is Marco Polo bus, which is very nice compared to the original Vice City. There it is. It's pretty cool, right? It's very nice. As you can see the bus, I will show you the bus more clearly. But there is one fact, you can go into the bus up to some extent. As you can see, up to back part you can go some extent into the bus, and even in the front part you can go. Now let's drive this bus and check it how cool it is. See, you can even see the interior of the bus from backside view. Now let's take a PCJ 600 and perform a stunt. Let's perform a unique stunt. So let's go some distance and gain up the speed. and we'll perform a unique stunt from the stage. Hope it goes all well. Let's see. Wait. How many times? Yes, it's a unique stunt. We got so high in the sky. We will get $100 for this unique stunt. Wow, we did another stunt but no bonus. We fall off the vehicle. Okay, let's go back to the stairs and do a rampage. Finally, we have got to the same place where we are going to do our first rampage. There it is, the rampage. Let's see what rampage. Kill 25 gang members in 2 minutes. It's with a shotgun. Let's do it. Our first rampage in this mod is very successful. Now let's get a 4-star wanted level and see the police, how we destroy them, their vehicles, everything. I will do it with a cheat named Nutter Tools. I will have to press it many times so that I can get infinite ammo. So I will skip that cheat typing and I will show you directly the 4-star wanted level attack. So let's start. Here we go. We have a minigun with infinite ammo. Now let's kill some people and destroy some vehicles so that we can get a 1-star or 2-star wanted level, and kill the policemen so that we can get a 3-star and 4-star wanted level. The game is glitching. Please wait patiently until the game runs smoothly and we can get a 4-star wanted level. I hope that you liked this video. I am making more series on Starman mode. Once it is completed, I will start videos on GTA 5 mods as well, and I am making videos on anime topics as well. So I will meet you guys in the next video.